Let's learn some colors. And A to Z. Purple color, pink color, black color, dark brown color, red color. This is blue color. This is yellow color, light green color, olive green color. This is grey color, pink color, dark green color. Yellow color. A for ant. A for ant. Yellow color. Pink color. B for bus. B for bus. Pink color. C for car. C for car. C for car. Black color. Light green color. D for duck. D for duck. Light green color. Gray color. E for egg. E for egg. Gray color. Purple color. F for flowers. F for flowers. Purple color. Brown color. G for grapes. G for grapes. G for grapes. Brown color. Green color. H for hat. H for hat. Green color. Red color. I for ice cream. I for ice cream. Red color. Pink color. J for jellyfish. J for jellyfish. Dark pink color. Olive green color. K for kiwi. K for kiwi. K for kiwi. Olive green color. Dark blue color. L for lemon. L for lemon. L for lemon. Dark blue color. Yellow color. M for moon. M for moon. M for moon. Yellow color. Pink color. N for nose. N for nose. N for nose. Pink color. O for oxygen. O for oxygen. O for oxygen. Black color. Light green color. P for peacock. P for peacock. Light green color. Gray color. Q for question. Q for question. Q for question. Gray color. Purple color. R. R for rain. R for rain. R. R for rain. Purple color. Brown color. S. S for sun. S for sun. Brown color. Green color. T. T for tree. T for tree. Green color. Red color. U. U for universe. U for universe. U. U for universe. Red color. Dark pink color. V. V for violin. V for violin. V for violin. Dark pink color. Olive green color. W. W for watermelon. W for watermelon. W. W for watermelon. Olive green color. Blue color. X. X for X-ray. X for X-ray. X. X for X-ray. Dark blue color. Yellow color. Y. Y for yogurt. Y for yogurt. Yellow color. Pink color. Z. Z for zipper. Z for zipper. A. A for ant. B. B for bus. C for car. D for dolphin. E for egg. F for flowers. G for grapes. H for hat. I for ice cream. J for jellyfish. K for kingfisher. L for lemon. M for moon. N for nose. O for oxygen. P for peacock. Q for queen. Q for question. R for rain. S for sun. T for tree. U for universe. V for violin. W for watermelon. X for X-ray. Y for yogurt. Z for zipper. Thank you for watching. Please do share, like and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye.